Yeah. I walk the stick. I ride with a stick. Don't fuck with no bitch. Don't fuck with no switch. I walk with a stick. I roll with a stick. Don't fuck with no bitch. Don't fuck with no switch.
Hey, what's good, everybody? This be your boy Miller, aka Miller the One, and during this time of quarantine due to the coronavirus, I pulled out my Rubiks cube and I was saying to myself, you know what? I might go and try to solve this once again. I have forgot how to solve it, and then I remember how to solve it, and I can show you guys how to solve it. Now, there's easy ways to solve this, real easy ways to solve this. Only thing about those easy ways are you do not know what you are doing and why you're doing it. So why even give it a try? Why even want to do it if you don't know what you're doing? There's one thing that, and I'm gonna say this real quick before I get into it. There's this one way you can solve Rubik's Cube if it's already at a solved position and you to get it. And all you did is just right turn, back turn, right turn, back turn, right turn, back turn. And if you was to do this 100 times, it will scramble the cube and resolve it. But guess what? If you just did this 120, 130 times, how is that learning how to solve a cube? And that only works during a solved stage. It would not ever fix it. All right, so real quick, basics. There's 6 sides to a cube. There's left, right, front, back, bottom, top, right? And there's really only 3 layers. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Only 3 layers of a Rubik's Cube. Alright, basics. This can move, the middle can move, the bottom can move. And no matter which way you turn it, same thing. 1, 2, 3. Alright. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how to solve the Rubik's Cube with the white side facing up. Alright? Because it has Rubiks on it. So I guess we'll call it Rubiks. That's how we're going to do it from the top. Alright? You can start it from any side if you want, but we're going to do white up. Okay? Make it easy. First thing first, we're going to try to solve and get a white cross. Alright? Now, the best way to solve this, I'm gonna cut this video up into probably 1, 2, 3, 4 different stages, so you guys can go and practice how to do this. And in this stage, we're gonna work on the right cross. All right, the white cross. All right, this piece here is not in the right spot, even though it's there, because there's green there and there's an orange there, so it's not there. But if you find yourself where there's one of these centerpieces already facing up, white already facing up with that. If you have one, all you do is just move that centerpiece, which this one is green, to the green center, right there, that green center. So what I'm gonna do is, boom, there it is. So this is what you want to do. You want to match the center color with the color that's facing outwards, and the top being white. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for another one, hopefully one facing down, which is down here. And look, there's one there. There's a blue-white facing down. So anytime you have a white facing down, you just move the bottom layer only until you find the center that it goes with. Boom. See? Now they're there. And then you're going to turn that upwards. Bam. So we then started our cross. As you can see, the blue, white is together. The green, white is together. Now we have to get these two to be white to get our white cross. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go look for another centerpiece that is white. And we need this to be facing downwards, because we don't want it to face up, because if it's facing up, then to get this red white to the center, we will have to move the top. And if we move the top, look, we move these colors. As you can see, now that's red green, and over here that's blue orange. We don't want that to happen. All right, so we want to go ahead and get everybody back to where they're supposed to be. So we never want to move the top. Okay guys, once you get a white in this right spot at the top, you never move the top layer. You will always want to only move the bottom layer if you can. All right, so if we find a white that is facing downwards, which we don't, we need to make a white centerpiece face down. See how this is facing out? If I had it turned towards me, it'd be facing me. But I'm gonna have it turned towards you guys. It's facing outwards. You want it to be facing downwards. So in order to get that to happen, we're gonna turn this to the side like that. Get it on one of these side axles. Now, it's on the same axle as this blue white, which means whatever we do to this, we have to put this back. All right, so we have this white to the side. Now we need it to face down, so we'll turn this axle downwards. Look, the blue white is now facing us, which means we need to bring the blue white back up here once we're finished. But we're gonna face that white downwards and move this piece here to move it off of this axle. So we moved it off that axle. Now we put this white back up. See, put it back where it's at. Now we have that orange white facing down. And now we can move it to where it needs to be. Nope. Yeah, there it is. And then we'll go and turn it upwards. There you go. So we now only need one more to go, the red white, to finish this cross. All right, so once again, we're gonna look for the centerpiece, boom, there it is. We have another one. Like I say, I normally would have this cube like this facing me, but I'm gonna face it towards you guys so you guys can see what's going on. So that is facing outwards. It needs to be facing downwards. So we need to get it on either this axle or this axle so we can face it down. So we'll turn this, which this will normally be facing you, so this will be face. We'll turn this either that way, or we can turn it that way. Whichever way you want to do, as long as you get it on this axle or this axle, the left or the right axle. All right, so we're gonna go ahead, boom, put it there, got it there. Now remember, this axle has a white at the top. See that? If I move that. So whatever we do with this that's pointing up, we have to put it back. So we need to get this piece to face down. So let's face it downwards. There's that piece that's supposed to be at the top. That down piece now is on the bottom layer. As you see, it's on the bottom layer. We're gonna remove it, boom. And then we're gonna put this back up, boom. Okay? Okay, put it back up. All right, so now that we put it back up, we wanna go find, oh, hold on. I put it on the wrong side. I just realized it's here now. I didn't realize I put it on the axle over here that I was moving. So face that back to you guys. Face that down, right? Move that to the side. Face that back up. Now it should be down. There it is. Let's find that down piece. It's red, the red white facing down. Let's move it around until it matches. See? They match. And now we'll turn it up. That's the white cross. Okay guys, so I know it may not seem as simple, but it really is. And like I like to tell people that I show, if you don't have one of these whites I'm gonna show you. That's that. If you don't already have it facing down, right? See, that's the bottom. Because white is opposite of yellow, okay? If you don't already have it facing down, let's say you had it like that. Remember, the axle that is on, just turn it downwards. You wouldn't believe how many people will see this here and try to figure out how to get this to go down. The axle that is on, just turn it so it can face down. Boom, it's facing down. You'll put it in its right spot. That's green, red. Put it to the green, green. Green, green, turn it upwards. Boom, like that. All right, so before I end this, I just want to say, it's one of the basics I skipped and I do apologize. These center pieces never move. They only move if you move the whole cube. But basically they never move. They always stay in the center, all right? These pieces here, what I like to call center pieces, they never move from a center spot. A center piece cannot move to a corner piece. All right, cannot move to a corner piece. A center piece only have two colors, blue, orange. See, it's only two colors. Unlike the corner piece, this is the corner, it has white, blue, red. And all the corners have three colors. Okay, so there it is. But white is always opposite of yellow. Okay, blue is always opposite of green. Blue, green. There it is, blue and green, always opposite, all right? Red is always, put my finger on red, is always opposite of orange. Put my finger on orange. There it is. Orange, red, okay? So white is always opposite of yellow. Green is always opposite of blue. Orange is always opposite of red. So, in the next video, I'll show you guys how to put these corners here, which I'm gonna do real quick while I got you guys here to show you what I mean about put the corners where they need to go. All right, so let's do this. Let's see. Boom. Getting the corner pieces is what we're going to show you on the next video. Okay? And as you can see, orange straight across, blue straight across, red straight across, green straight across. And then they're all matching with their colors. That's green and green, red and red, blue and blue, orange and orange. Solving the Rubik's Cube, guys, is not a hard thing. If you understand what you're doing, once again, there are easier ways to solving a Rubik's Cube, but you will not know what you are doing. Sorry, excuse me. So, if you don't know what you're doing, then do you really know how to solve it? Yeah, you'll be able to show your friends, oh, look, but if they said, show me, tell me how did you do that? Would you know how to do it? All right, until the next video, you guys, on solving the Rubik's Cube, this be your boy Miller, aka Miller the One, and I'm out. And yeah, I'm a little tired. I really would scratch, but like the shirt says, I'll flex, but I like this shirt. Until next time, guys, peace.
Yeah.